Hello, beautiful people. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Style Creator. Welcome back another video. How are you, friends? I hope all of you fine and be happy. Allah Almighty give you a great and happiest life. So let's start my today collection and my today video. In this video, I am going to sharing with you a graceful photo collection and beautiful moments of beautiful Princess of Wales, Princess Diana's 15th-year married life. Princess Diana is a symbol of fashion. Princess Diana is a very beautiful and world-famous, incredible personality. In my today collection, you will be seeing such a graceful, beautiful, and world-famous Princess Diana's most memorable moments with her two sons, Prince William and Prince Harry. Such an amazing, glittering, and beautiful personality of this beautiful princess. So viewers, video watch till then and see a graceful photo collection and take great ideas from my today collection, from my today video. If you like my collection, so share with your friends, neighbors, relatives and faculty members. I can bring new videos for you viewers of different royal families, of different royal celebrities who touch with us and take great ideas and see a graceful photo collection. So beautiful and world famous Princess of Wales, Princess Diana's most memorable moments with Queen Elizabeth and Princess Diana's sisters. If you want to see beautiful princess of the Swedish royal family, Princess Madeline, Princess Victoria, Princess Sophia and Queen Sylvia. If you want to see Queen Mary, Crown Princess Queen Mary and Queen Margaret, so please visit my channel. If you want to see Spanish royal beautiful ladies, so please visit my channel, Style Creator. I can bring different royal ladies of royal families. Beautiful and memorable photo collection of Princess Diana's 15th-year married life, during married life. So guys, if you are new on my YouTube channel, you are not subscribed my channel, I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button to receive all new notifications, all new videos about royal families, royal lifestyle, royal personalities and celebrities. So memorable moments with Princess Diana, with Prince William and Prince Harry. So viewers, take care, God bless you, have a nice day, see you soon in the next video with different royal families and beautiful ladies of different countries. So take care, see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching again.